after so many years teaching privately, after over 200 lessons here on YouTube, I have gathered enough feedback to tell you what I think is the best opening for beginners. So, of course, I'm going to show you everything you need to start playing it. I'm going to give you the 5 reasons why I think it's the best opening for beginners. And at the end, you're going to see me using it against some of the engines here on chess.com. Number one, the best opening for beginners has to be easy to learn, easy to implement, no memorization, guys. Beginners should be playing to get to the middle game, look for tactics, attack the king, improve your vision of the board. Number two, many books and coaches are going to tell you the same thing. Beginners should start with e4, e5 openings. This is what's categorized as open games. They lead to open positions that are very tactical. And again, that's what beginners need to be exposed to: tactics, learning how to attack. And